In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore previous versions on Dropbox. If you've ever overwritten a file or need to go back to an earlier draft, Dropbox's version history on the website makes it quick and safe to recover what you need. Start by opening a browser and heading to Dropbox.com, then sign in to your account. Using the website is recommended because it gives you a clear view of version history and the most consistent options. Once you're in, navigate to the file you want to restore. You can browse through your folders as usual or use the search bar to jump right to the file. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct folder and looking at the right file name and type, especially if you keep multiple versions of similar documents. Next, hover your mouse over the file to reveal more options, and click the three dots that appear to open the menu. In that menu, choose Activity, then select Version History. This opens a panel that lists previous versions, along with timestamps and who made the changes. Depending on your plan and settings, you'll see versions from recent days or even months back, which is helpful when you're trying to pinpoint exactly when a change occurred. Now pick a version you want to check and open its preview. Previewing lets you confirm you've got the correct content before you make any changes. Look over the document details carefully. This is your chance to verify that the older version truly contains the text, formatting, or data you're trying to recover. If it's not what you need, you can simply go back and select a different timestamp from the list. When you found the right one, click Roll Back to this version or Restore, depending on the label you see, and confirm your choice. Dropbox will revert the file to that earlier state. Don't worry, restoring doesn't permanently erase your current version. It becomes part of the version history as well, so you can always return to it if you change your mind. Give it a moment to process and then reopen the file to make sure everything looks as expected. That's all there is to it. Go to Dropbox.com and sign in, locate your file, open the three-dot menu, go to Activity and Version History, preview the version you want, and then restore it with a quick confirmation. With these steps, you can confidently recover past work and keep your projects moving without stress.